Hey guys, Ernest ODell here. I just wanted to pass this on to you. I've been knowing this guy for over 20 years, and Stan Stuchinski has come out with a new edition of his Big Dogs for only $7. No opt-in. Just click on the link at bigdogs.turbopayline.com. And I think I shared this over from Facebook, so you don't need that. Just bigdogs.turbopayline.com. If you need more leads, need more sales, and you need more income, get your hands on this. Only $7 one time. Good for life. I've had this for over 20 years. He's updated it, and every time he updates it, you get the updated copy. This guy has been packing it for over 20 years. Stan is a good friend of mine. I've been working with him for a little over 20 years now. We talk on the phone, and when you come here, you click that, it's going to take you over to this page right here. It's a little ClickBank product. They give you 60 days money back guarantee. Read it, because let me tell you something. You're going to become a thoroughbred. Yes, you're going to learn how to earn multiple streams of income, generate a flood of targeted leads. Every online business needs leads. And he's going to show you how to get up to 5 million a month every month. Reduce your time online. I work just a half hour a day from what I learned from Stan. Okay. You don't have a list? No problem. No website? No problem. No experience? No problem. This is all in one ebook. Now, here's your problem, what you've been running into. You've already discovered it the hard way. 9 out of 10 internet-based products, programs, or quote systems, unquote, they just plain don't work, or they're too complicated. The learning curve is too freaking high to learn. Or worse yet, some of them are even outright scams, and you don't know it until you've been scammed. So how much time are you going to spend beating your head against your desk and your computer in an attempt to put money into your bank account? I've been doing this for over 20 years, okay? How much money have you spent? Hundreds of dollars, probably. Thousands of dollars trying to find that one little magic method to build a successful online business that you can be proud of. Well, here's your solution. The Secrets of the Big Dogs, the Guru's Playbook. This book right here by Stan Stuchinski, I'm telling you, this is the book you need. If you can't afford $7 with a 60-day money back guarantee, friend, I'm telling you, you just, maybe you just need to go to college and spend $50,000. Okay. This works for anyone, whether you're a newbie or whether you're a seasoned veteran. So quit falling for all that bull crap where they do all the work and you make all the money. You're getting suckered into that get rich by Friday 30-day nonsense. So start following the man who's been there. Stan has been in the trenches for over 2 decades. Read his book. It's led nearly 100,000 ordinary folks like you and me to internet marketing success. Pay attention, okay? Now, what Stan is not going to do, he's not going to show you photos of a rented for the weekend $200,000 sports car. He's not going to rent a big mansion, and he's not going to show you a bunch of dummied up bank statements and tax returns, because, you know, he's done this. He can show you in the book the real thing. What he is going to do, and he's hardcore, I'm telling you, he's going to tell you the truth. You may not like the way he comes across, but he's going to tell you to get off the fence and run with the big dogs, or stay over there behind the fence and go pee with the puppies. Okay. He's oftentimes brutal, but he's always frank and honest. Secrets of the Big Dogs was the strategically engineered book that I used over 20 years ago and have been using for over 20 years to strip away all the hype and the baloney salami. You know what I mean by that? And the glitz, he tells it like it is. If you have been looking for something that will tell you how to get a dozen paychecks a month or more, then get into his chip program. Okay. And he'll show you in chapter 6 of this book. If you got a traffic problem, he shows you, man, I've been getting over 5 million visits to my website for the past 20 years, easily on a slow month. Some months, even more than that. Okay. Now, I want you to go all the way down to the bottom of this site and learn that it's only $7. That's it. One time, a one-time $7. No, monthlies, 100% satisfaction. And he is still speaking on the circuit. And if you haven't heard of Stan, then you haven't been paying attention. Okay. All right. So when you get down to the bottom of the website, click there and it'll take you to the order form where you can order it. And then you can, have it delivered in digital product immediately to your inbox. Store it on your computer. Read it. You're not going to have to wait for it in the mail. And if you don't like what you see, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Looky here, 60 days will allow you to return, replace, get your money back, and and you still get to keep it. So get in there and get it. I'm telling you, this is one of the best books, and I can't believe it's so cheap. I paid for it. I think I paid $20 for it 20 years ago. Now he's got it down to $7 because it is selling more. This is why he's gone down on the price. He's just selling more of it. Okay. So get in there, get it now, and I'll see you on the inside. We'll talk to you later. This is Ernest ODell with Stan Stuchinski and the Big Dogs. All right. Bye.